What if there was a way to store and trigger DMX-controlled light shows all from a device that fits in the palm of your hand? Well, now there is. It's the new DMX RT from Chauvet DJ. Hey everybody, it's Jeff Short, and I'm here with Chauvet DJ product manager Raglan Jones. Raglan, how you doing?
How you doing, Jeff? Good?
Good. Well, we're here to talk about the new DMX RT. First of all, this bad little boy, what does RT stand for?
Well, RT basically stands for record and trigger, which means you'll be able to record via DMX, small shows, static looks, chase program, store it in this device and trigger it via DMX or
amazing.
from the Phoenix connector.
So, okay, if I get this out of the box, how do I get this thing running? How do I get a DMX show into this unit?
This will be in line between your controller and your light setup.
Okay.
So whatever you trigger from your computer, this will record it and store it.
Now I see here it's got an LED display with some menu buttons here. Is this complicated? I mean, what's involved in actually recording a DMX show into this unit?
It's very simple. First, you will have to select your file that you want to save your show in.
You're talking about a file location on the unit itself?
Exactly.
Okay.
You have 999 files to pick from.
Okay, so that's almost 1,000 shows you could store on this thing.
Exactly.
Okay, so then what do you do?
Then you have to select whether you want to trigger your recording manually or via DMX.
Okay.
Manually meaning you tell the box to manually start recording and manually stop recording.
Right.
Or DMX, once it senses the DMX signal, it will start recording. Once there's no more DMX signal, it will stop.
Fantastic. And I see it's also powered here, so it does require power.
Exactly.
Now, what is this little green adapter plug here on the back?
Okay, so this is the Phoenix connector. It's another option to trigger your light shows. It uses the normally open, normally closed method, so you can connect any common sensor to it.
And I understand this thing also provides some power as well?
Exactly, so if you use any sensor that requires power, it outputs 12-volt power for your sensor.
Perfect. What about storage? How does that work on this unit?
Okay, so it comes with a 8 gig SD card.
Okay.
You have the option to go up to 32 gig.
All right. So plenty of space for DMX, because we also know that DMX files are relatively small in terms of data bytes. So you should be able to get plenty of control and data on these units.
Exactly.
So obviously this is pretty straightforward. DMX in, DMX out. I have my laptop. I have a program like Show Express open. I'm programming my light show. It's being recorded in here. I can choose to manually or automatically record in there. It's got plenty of storage. I can also use a hardware controller, obviously. DMX out into this unit and then out to the lights from there. Is that right? So pretty straightforward. So I understand that you've got something programmed in here just so we can see that it actually controls the lighting. So how does that work?
So I just have a basic color snap program running through the Freedoms right now. I have it built into the box, so I'm just going to trigger it.
Okay.
I'm just going to go to my run mode, select my file, which is the first file, hit enter, and it's going to play my snap program.
Fantastic. And it's easy as that. This is just a simple thing you programmed. I can see it running through the steps right now.
Exactly. Now the great thing about this, you have the option to tell it to loop or just play one time. So right now I have it set to loop, so once it's finished, it's going to loop back over and keep playing the same show over and over.
Fantastic, and it even has little mounting holes. So if you wanted to, you know, mount it on some sort of unit or trussing or a DJ stand or something like that, that's available as well. Fantastic, thank you so much, Raglan. This is the new Chauvet DJ DMX RT, the ultimate in convenience and portability for running DMX control. I'm Jeff Short with Chauvet DJ. As always, thanks for watching.